Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is my Heaven Panty for the month. And Heaven Panty is very inexpensive. It's $13 for a month, and when you pay your $13, you get $13 in their store on their website to shop. So you really are getting these panties basically for free, because you can go in and choose other panties, you can choose bras, you can choose sets. Sometimes they have different things going on, like the last time I chose, there were sets available. So it just depends on what they're doing. And you know, they will send you, the first time you get a pair, they send you measuring tape, so you can measure to make sure you receive the proper sizing. And if you have trouble with anything, it is returnable and money back guarantee. You also get a stylist that helps you, and it's free shipping. So it's really worth the money for sure if you like pretty things. So it comes in a package like this, so you really can't tell that you are getting panties in the mail. So let's see what's in here this month. Inside is this little package here. You can see I've got stripes going on. They give you a little sneak peek right there. This is a nice little bag. It's a Ziploc, and it's great for traveling. And let's see what I got. Oh, these are pretty. It comes on a card. And I do have a link below. If you're interested at all, you can sign up under me. And I believe when you first sign up, you get $20 to spend. Not toward your subscription, but toward the shop. And then I also get $20. And that has come in handy because I have gotten some nice items from it. So these are real cute. Real cute. They're blue and white stripe. And then this, the edging is a pretty scalloped edging. You see that? And it's elastic. It's a very, very soft elastic. Very soft. And there's the back. And the front has a little bow on it. How cute is that? And the tag usually says $15. Sometimes they're higher priced than that. But these are real pretty, and there is cotton where you need it. So you're covered. And these are nice. These are just a nice everyday style. Super cute, super cute. So those are my Heaven Panties for this month. And like I said, if you're interested at all, I have a link below, and $13, they'll charge you $13 a month, and you'll get $13 in the store to shop. And just make sure when you get your first order, see how, measure yourself if you can, go in and see what the sizing is, because they've recently changed their sizing, and choose. And they ask you a bunch of questions, like if you want, real sexy, if you want thongs, if you want briefs, if you want cotton or silky, and you can change, all right, Smudge, you can change it up at any time. You can pick different ways. It's just, they ask you a lot of questions so that they can get to know what you're interested in. Colors, I don't remember if they ask you about, I think they do ask you about colors. So when you get your first package, they'll send you that measuring tape, and then you can just make sure that you measure, and the panties will fit you and the bras will fit you. And I'll tell you, for me, I got my first set last month, I think it was, a bra and panty set. And I did not think that bra was going to fit me because of the sizing that they show on the website. But it did fit me. I love it. It's a beautiful set. So you have to know your body, and you have to know what might work for you. So their sizing is very different than ours, because it is Asian sizing. So that's why you need to measure yourself. So but they're really pretty. These are, just really pretty ones this time. They're always pretty, honestly. They're always pretty. And they have silky, they have cotton. This is more like a cotton. I guess I didn't really share that. This is like a cotton, and it's ribbed. If you can see, it's ribbed. Very pretty. So that is it, y'all. So count your blessings and have a great, whatever it is, day, evening, whatever it is. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.